Hey guys, trying to install a Voyager brake control on my truck. Comes with this wiring harness. I was having a hell of a time finding exactly where the plug was. You can see up here this wiring clump of wires up here. This is where it's at. Mine, if yours is a 07 Dodge, had it way stuffed up here, and it's taped up there. I had to cut the tape with a razor knife, unwrap this. Let's see. Now let me pull that down. Now I can pull it out of there. Oops. Thing was stuffed way up in the back. I couldn't see it. I don't know why they taped it up there. I mean, and it was facing backwards. So, if you can't find yours, it's probably up there, way up in the back. I couldn't even see it, barely. It's blue though. I just connected into that. I was about to start taking these bolts off to try and drop this whole harness, but I found it. That's where it's at.